Hi, this is the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and I'll show you how to check lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first open the settings application, tap the wallpaper section and here you'll see the home and lock screens. Tap on the lock screen, click to change wallpaper. Here you could use photo from your device gallery or to use one from the available folders here. Just let's select one from the available wallpapers. Tap the lock screen to see the preview, click on the right down corner and tap the lock screen. After that, just wait a couple of seconds. Now we could see that the wallpaper set successfully. So let's lock the device and we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just hold the home screen with your finger for a while. Click here to wallpapers and by the same way, just select one from your photos, stylize or just regular default wallpapers. Select the wallpaper, tap to preview if you want to see how this wallpaper will look on your lock screen. You could change also the position of the wallpaper. Tap on the right down corner to OK, select lock screen and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.